In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free social media tracker. I'm also going to show you how to use my free social media tracker. Hi everyone, my name is Tonya. I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hi, and this video is a little more geared toward those in small business. This video will be helpful if you were thinking about starting a blog, or if you already have a blog, or anyone that has any type of business. This video will be helpful because in any type of business there needs to be a social media presence to drive traffic to your business, and that's what this video is about. And I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to get this free social media tracker from my website. Now first, let me just show you how I use it. Now I believe that this social media tracker can help any type of business. My son wants to go into the HVAC business, and I told him that he needs to get a social media presence. So what does that mean? That means that you go on your favorite social media sites, like I have listed here. Let me put this a little closer. On this social media tracker, there's a section for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and your website. So let's say that you have a business. It doesn't matter what it is. You will have a goal to post a certain amount of information on each one of these social media sites, or maybe even more or maybe less, depending on what you want to do. And this is a way to keep track of that. So how I do it is, like, for example, for where it has Instagram, I put how many followers I currently have. So I put the number here over here, and then at the end of the week I track how many additional followers that I got. Now tracking followers and likes and subscribers is great, is because when you see the numbers, it helps motivate you, and it helps you keep posting and keep advertising and getting your business out there. So for example, I have at the top here Monday through Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday are these two S's here. And simply each day I post, I place an X in the box. So that way I can look back, and I print one of these each week. And that way I can look back and tell, okay, how consistent was I? Did I post on Instagram every day like I planned? Or maybe I only planned to, here's Facebook, maybe I only planned to post on Facebook twice a week. How well did I do with that? This social media tracker is just a great way to make sure that you're keeping up with your post, because especially when you post on multiple social media sites, it's kind of hard to keep up with it. And this I found was a great way to do that. Now you can customize this social media tracker, and I'll show you that in a moment when I show you how to get it from my website. Also at the bottom here I have just a regular grid where you can write in whatever you like. Maybe there's something that you want to keep track of. I have here hair care. I like to wash my hair at least twice a week, because if I don't, my face will break out. It's acne prone. So I mark here to make sure that I wash my hair twice a week. Face care. I want to make sure that I follow a certain facial regimen every night. I have that here. I have workout listed here. I'll just check off the days that I work out here, and you can put whatever you like. I also have here checked homework. I'd like to check my daughter's homework from Monday to Thursday. So I just make a box, a note here, and I just check it off if I checked her homework. I don't do it all the time, but I do strive to take a look at her homework and try to keep up what's going on with tests and such and such. And at the bottom here I have it so where I can write in whatever I like. And I wrote in here, for example, Parent View. It's a website that parents can go on and check their children's grades. And I try to go up there like once a week, because that's how I really know if my daughter has missed homework or missed any classroom assignments, and I can have her follow up right away instead of waiting, days and weeks later and then say, oh gosh, you got a 0. Well, this is a way I can keep up with it on a weekly basis. Now I'm going to take you to the computer where I'm going to show you how you can print one of these out for yourself. Now to get the free social media tracker, go to my website, TonyaPlans.com. And once there is a section at the top here, a menu item called Planner Inserts. You would want to click there. And by the way, if you haven't seen or haven't had an opportunity to take a look at the free Franklin Planner course, here is a link here on my website where you could go to it there. But let's get back to what we're discussing here. Now, to get the free social media tracker, you're going to click on this link here at the top called Planner Inserts. Now, you want to check this section of my website often because I will be adding new free planner inserts here from time to time. So if you were the DIY type, the do-it-yourself type, and you like to print your own planner inserts, you can go here. Now, personally, I like to buy mine because I don't like to take the time to print them and cut them out and all that stuff. But from time to time, I do need to make planner inserts to customize them for my needs. And this was an example of a planner insert, the social media tracker that I needed to make and use for my own personal needs. So you'll see here the social media tracker is here, and under the word social media tracker are the different formats you can use. You can get the Excel format, the Microsoft Word format, or the PDF format. Now, if you do not have Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel installed on your computer, no worries. You can use the PDF format because the Acrobat Reader is free. So if you click on the PDF format for this example, and here is the PDF format. Now, if you need to customize this tracker, you would want to go back and select the Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel option so that you can customize it to the different sections that you want here. But let's say that how I have it written here is fine for you and you just want to print it off. So you would go here to this. Now, I'm using Windows 10. So depending on the type of operating system that you're using is how your options are. But for me, if I kind of move my cursor up, the print icon is right here in the right hand corner. So I would just select print. And then here is the print button here. So I would just select the print button and it will print the tracker out. So here is the tracker printed out, and as you can see, it printed on a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Now, if you don't, this prints out, when you use the PDF option, it prints out in the compact size. If you have a larger or a smaller printer, you can play around with the settings and enlarge it or shrink it to fit your needs. So what I do is I get out my paper cutter. This is my Fiskars sheet cutter, and I'll link all of these items below in the description of the video. And what I do is I just take a regular planner insert and I use that as a guide to cut my own inserts. So I'm going to just take this out of my planner here and I'm going to place this over the planner area and take a pencil and kind of lightly mark where I want to cut. Kind of mark at the top, the bottom, on the side to side. And now I'm going to cut it. I'm just lining up with my pencil marks. Okay, so now it is cut out. That's very simple. And now I grab my Franklin Covey hole puncher. Now this hole puncher will punch holes for the pocket size planners as well as the compact size. And again, I'll link all these items below if you're interested. And just to show you for demonstration purposes how this fits perfectly in my planner. And there you go, voila. Now I've printed out my own social media tracker. Like I said, it can be used for blogs, it can be used for any type of business. It can be used for if you're thinking about starting a business and you just want to test out the market to see if people are really interested in what you're thinking about doing a business in. You could use this social media tracker. Please be sure to share this video if you know someone who has a business or is thinking about starting a business. This free social media tracker could be really helpful to them. Also, please be sure to like this video and subscribe so that you'll be notified of when free additional planner inserts are placed on my website, because you don't want to miss that. Thank you so much for watching. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.